Hello there, my friends. Today I'm going to show you on this Goodman furnace, but it'll work on any furnace pretty much, how to change your air filter. So you can see the furnace is here, and it blows the air this way into this main duct. Okay? And in between the furnace and the rest of your house, there's a filter. Now this one is pretty obvious where it is, and what I did was I got myself a pair of needle nose pliers so that if it's in there pretty good, I can grip it, and also if it gets stuck, I can use the needle nose pliers and this handy flat nose screwdriver to pull it out, because the paper here might get caught on the sheet metal here. And it is. So since that's happening, you can try to work it out like this. Or you can take your screwdriver and run it down the side and try to help it out that way. It looks like it's caught on the other side though, so I'll do the same thing on the other side. Because you really don't want a big lump of paper stuck inside this duct, where it might get become an obstruction or something like that. So anyway, here's the filter. So when you go to the store, there's going to be different size filters, right? So this size is 16 by 20 by 1, which is very common. Okay, super common. I can't see this. Can you see this? Yeah, 16 by 20 by 1. That means 16 by 20 by 1 inch thick, okay? And a lot of the filters will have an arrow on the side. And that just means, this one doesn't, but like HEPA filters, the real heavy ones, don't have arrows, and the arrow is the airflow, the direction of airflow. So you want to go from the furnace to the vent. So the airflow will be like that. Also, there's a rating on here. The lower the number, the less things it filters out, all right? Now, this is a pretty cheap one. I change them about every month. I also write down the date on the side of the filter so that I know when the last time I changed it was. You'll be surprised how often you think, boy, I changed that filter, it wasn't that long ago. Turns out, it was last May. And my friend who installed the furnace said, you know, just get some cheap filters and install them every month or so and you'll be happy. The other thing you can do, and also I leave the side with the numbers on it facing out. What you can also do is you can write, like somebody did on my ductwork, right up here, the size of the filter in permanent marker. And that way you always know what you need, so that when you go to Home Depot, you can go get it. And you can take a picture of the filter with your camera, and that way when you're going up and down the aisles, you don't have to start looking at those numbers and get confused. Wait, was it 16 by 25? Was it 20 by 1? What the, you know, you have the picture of it with you. So anyway, those are a couple tips. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please like it. It helps me a lot. And subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. And have a great day today and see if you can help somebody without getting caught. Love you guys. Take care.